friends, welcome back to my YouTube. If this is your first time here, my name is Brandy. Some of you may know me as Livwithbiv on Instagram. I also have a blog at livwithbiv.com. Welcome to my YouTube. So today I'm collaborating with Callie from Threesixtynails. Make sure you check out her channel. I'll have it linked below. We are doing our top 6 spring nail polishes by Essie. And because the weather's been so nice, I am bringing this first look at the polishes to you on my paddleboard. If you want to skip past the non-nail polish related stuff, go ahead. I'll try to make it short and sweet. And these are my faves. So I'm gonna go through my top 6 spring Essie nail polishes in no particular order at all. The first one here is Garden Variety. This is a gorgeous blue teal polish. It came out in spring of 2015. I am just about due to get another bottle of this because I've used it so much. This is a 2-coater. I will include swatches of all of these polishes here in the videos so you can get a look at what they look like on the nail. I actually tried to match the polishes with some of the flowers. You'll notice that as we go on. All right, so the next polish is Feeling Wellies. This is from the Spring 2020 collection. It's a gorgeous yellow with kind of peach undertones in it. It's actually described as a yellow with red undertones. This can be opaque in 2 to 3 coats, and it's just gorgeous. If you love yellow nail polish, you need this one in your life. If you don't love yellow nail polish, you need this one in your life. Okay, so this next polish matches my shirt, maybe on purpose. Just kidding. But it does match the flowers in the picture. So this is No Shade Here. This was from the Rocky Rose collection that came out last summer. It's actually described as a vivid hot pink nail polish with yellow undertones. This could be a 1-coater if you apply a thick coat, but it's more likely a 2-coater. It's gorgeous. It's so bright and so fun. All right, and then we have, dun, 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 dun. I love this polish. This is You Do Blue. This came out with the Flying Solo collection. It was a beautiful collection. This polish is a beautiful polish. It's actually described by Essie as a periwinkle blue polish with violet iridescence. It's gorgeous. It's a 2-coater. It's a must-have. Pick this up. Just pick it up. All right, and another one that's just as gorgeous. This is One Wave for One. This also came out with the Flying Solo collection, 2-coater. It's described by Essie as a blue base pink with gold frosted pearl. And you could definitely see the gold in the bottle there. So good. And it does show up on the nail as well. Great formula, amazing color. The Flying Solo collection, I feel like is one of my favorite collections to date. So good. And last but certainly not least is this gorgeous lilac shade from the Spring 2020 collection. This is Spring in Your Step. This polish is described by Essie as a dewy lilac with pink iridescence. Can you tell I like iridescence in my shades? 3 of these 6 nail polishes all have iridescence. So yeah, they're pretty. I don't know. Can you? Yeah, there you go. So good. I don't know, did I show the blue one? You do blue? Love it. So Spring in Your Step is a 2-coater, great formula. It reminds me of the polish Playdate, but there's kind of a glow from within. Let me see. Here are the 2 polishes. So we've got Playdate here and Spring in Your Step here. So you can tell. I mean, Playdate's a little bit darker, but I just love nail polish. All right, guys, so which of these polishes is your fave? Make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know. Also, let me know if you have any other spring nail polishes that are your faves. It was really hard to only pick out 6 nail polishes because I love nail polish. And I feel like spring and summer are my favorite nail polish colors because I love bright colors. One of the things you stare at the most is your hand, so I love to have something bright and pretty on my hands. Stay tuned for another video coming up. I'm going to do the nail polish collection tag. I was tagged by Brenda at Bike Clouser, so I'll be doing that coming up next. That polish tag does include counting the number of polishes that I have, so stay tuned. I'll be interested to find that out as well. Let me know if there are any other video ideas that you would like to see from me. Otherwise, I will talk to you guys later. Mwah.